Hey there everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees, coming at you from the main apiary. We're going to check out one of these hives here today. We're going to pick one kind of at random. We're still right in the middle of a flow here in southeast Michigan. So we're going to get into it, see if we need to add another super. We already got 2 on these ones right here, this block of 4. So let me get my suit on here, jacket, get the smoker, and let's get into it. All right, got the smoker going, got the jacket on, and let's see how this one here is doing. All right, looks like we got bees at least right up to the top. All right, a few of them there on the lid, inner cover I mean. I would say they're doing pretty good here. Give them a couple little puffs. I had a couple of these were new frames. I didn't have anything drawn out on them yet. Kind of mixed in a few of them. So let's see, let's take this one here and see what it's looking like. Oh yeah, look at that. Full of nectar. Without, you see that nice glistening down in there, almost completely full of nectar. Looks like it's about every frame. So let's put that back in. Looks like about every frame looks the same. In fact, here, let's pull this one here. This was one that was used last year, this frame. Building that out nicely, full of nectar. As you probably noticed, I do 9 frames in my supers for honey. Lets them build it out a little bit more. All right, let's put that back in and take this top super off. See what the next one down looks like. Ooh, wow, I can tell that's heavy already. Oh. All right. Let's pull and let's grab. Yeah, it looks like a good frame here. Yeah, we'll try this one. This is a good candidate. Just check out things. Ow. Right on the tip of the pinky. Look at that. Damn. Alright, I think it's this one here. Yeah. Good hold on that. Yeah, they're still building that out. Got quite a bit capped there. They're doing pretty good. Alright. What I'm going to do with this one is I'm going to pull this box off. And I'm going to put a fresh box just above the queen excluder. A few more puffs. Alright, let's see if we can adjust this to get down in there for you guys. There we go. propolising the queen excluder up quite a bit there. Kind of curious at this point. We're this far in. Let's see what we got. This hive is known to be a little bit on the spicy side. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. Just curious. Alright. Sorry about the arm in the way. Well, they're backfilling that with honey. And on that side. Whew. Alright. Well, with that big of a honey band, the queen is not coming up any further. She won't cross all of that honey. So this hive, let's make it a little bit easier on the girls. I'm going to leave the queen excluder off. And start putting these back together. Got a fresh box here, frames from last year. Next up, this one here. And then on top, this heavy wax dipped one. Get off me. All right. So, roaring a little bit there. I messed them up a little bit with the putting the new box in between, but looking pretty good. They're down in there. All right, well, brought you along for at least one, and get this turned around here. Hey, so I'll go through these, the rest of these. Just thought I'd bring along for one of them. Check out these other couple. I got 30 hives now, total of 30. I have 24 here and 6 up to the north yard. I'm going to go up there tomorrow and see what transpires from that. It's been about 2 weeks since I've been up there. Taking a couple extra 10 frame bottom boards, inner covers, top covers, all that good stuff. Most of them were nukes up there. See if I can upgrade some of those, start building them up, get them through the winter. But honey's still flowing pretty slow here, or well, the nectar flow. Time will tell. Kind of guessing I'm probably gonna be down from last year. Last year I had about a little over 700 pounds of honey. Hoping this year, hoping to shoot for at least 500. We'll see what happens. So again, this is Phil, 33 Mile Bees, here in Southeast Michigan, good old little town of Armada, not Armada. So take care and see you in the next video. Adios.